Hello everyone, welcome back to TubeRoadmap, the channel where we navigate the twists and turns of various topics. I'm your host, Sahu, and today we're diving into the exciting world of trading and investment. If you've ever wondered what sets them apart and how you can earn by engaging in these financial activities, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Trading versus investment. First things first, let's clarify the difference between trading and investment. Trading is more short-term, involving buying and selling assets within a relatively short period to capitalize on market fluctuations. On the other hand, investment is about holding assets for the long term, aiming for gradual appreciation over time. It's like the difference between sprinting and running a marathon in the financial world. Why trade or invest? Now that we know the basics, why should you consider trading or investing? Well, both offer unique opportunities. Trading can provide quick returns for those who can analyze market trends effectively, while investment allows for long-term wealth growth. The key is understanding your financial goals and risk tolerance. Common investment vehicles. There are various ways to trade and invest, from stocks and bonds to cryptocurrencies and commodities. Each has its own risk and return profile. Diversification is the name of the game. Spreading your investments across different assets helps manage risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one financial basket. How to start trading? Now, let's talk about getting started. To trade effectively, you need a brokerage account, knowledge of market analysis, and a risk management strategy. Understanding technical and fundamental analysis can be a game changer. Don't forget to start small and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience. How to start investing? For those interested in long-term wealth creation, investing is the way to go. Identify your investment goals, whether it's retirement planning, buying a home, or funding your child's education. Consider opening an investment account like a 401(k) or an IRA and regularly contribute to it. Consistency is key in the world of investing. Mitigating risks. Let's address the elephant in the room, risk. Both trading and investing come with risks, and it's crucial to be aware of them. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed about market trends, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Risk management is your shield against financial storms. Continuous learning. Financial markets are dynamic, ever-changing entities. To stay ahead, commit to continuous learning. Follow financial news, read books, attend seminars, and maybe even consider joining online communities. The more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the twists and turns of the financial world. Conclusion? And there you have it, folks. Trading and investment can be powerful tools on your journey to financial success. Whether you're chasing short-term gains or building a robust financial future, understanding the principles of trading and investing is crucial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this is Sahu from TubeRoadmap, signing off.